President's address to the joint session of Parliament consists of 5,839 words. You cannot find out the word Manipur in this 1 hour long speech. Why can't you visit at least once visit Manipur? You have no answer. So at least a 2,000 crore rupee package must be announced. Do justice to the people. Sir, the President's address to the joint session of Parliament consists of 5,839 words. I have counted it. Sir, even if you appoint a commission, an expert commission, you cannot find out the word Manipur in this 1 hour long speech. Sir, how can be a speech more insensitive than this? How can be a speech more disconnected from reality than this? In fact, the highest constitutional authority of the country was constrained to deliver a speech for and on behalf of this heartless government, so as to say. Sir, we had a prime minister, the first prime minister of this country, great Jawaharlal Nehru, who had organized a rehabilitation camp in his own official residence during those years of bloodiest communal violence soon after partition. That is our tradition. We are not expecting anything like from this gentleman prime minister, but at least visit there. You have a vocal always about his activities. All these leaders are praising like anything. But why can't you visit at least once visit Manipur? You have no answer. Sir, secondly, the Indian federalism is under strain now. No doubt at all. The parent organization in which most of the union ministers have deep faiths, which headquarters is in Nagpur, was always against the concept of federalism. We opposed the very idea of formation of states on language basis. They thought that will undermine the unity of this country. Hence they opposed. So even now, the attack on federalism is continuing. Sir, may I ask you? Sir, I can prove, sir, no doubt at all. So may I ask you one thing through you? Sir, had the Wayanad, this Mapadi landslide happened in any other parts of the country, such a catastrophe of severe natural calamity happened in any other parts of the country, what would have been the response of these ministers and your government? You did not announce a single rupees package so far. I have no doubt our Honorable Minister, Mr. George Kiran, is sitting over here. Sometimes, sir, you are acting. I can tell you,
listen
sir,
me, please.
Sometimes
आपका नाम लिया है तो इनके बोलने के बाद मैं आपको अवसर दे दूंगा.
Sir, it's his real name, sir. It's his real name. I did not utter any fake name. It's his real name. What is wrong in it? Sir, sometimes the ministers who represent Kerala act as sinisters, not as ministers. I have no doubt in stating that. They should act as ministers, not as sinisters. They are detrimental to the interest of Kerala's people. Sir, in this context, I would like to urge through you, sir, we should get justice. We are also part of India. How many times we have requested? So at least a 2,000 crore rupee package must be announced. Do justice to the people of Kerala. Sir, through you, I would like to request one more thing. We need to convene the special session of Parliament once in a year in southern Indian states also, because there is a feeling slowly being created among the people of South India, a feeling of isolation. At least there are a number of solutions, but kindly take necessary steps to convene a special session of the once in a year, 1 or 2 days, in any other South Indian states. Sir, now anywhere in South India. So let me tell you, page number 20 of the President's address speaks about the celebration of Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee's 125th anniversary. Sir, I am telling you, it should not be another assault to the history, because Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee was part of a ministry headed by Fazlul Haq. And who was Fazlul Haq? Haq was the man who moved a resolution called Lahore Declaration in Muslim League's committee. And that was the demand of formation of a separate Muslim state on basis of religion. And please don't make more assault on history. You people are always misusing history, assaulting history. Now with this celebration, you will do more injustice to the history. Sir, the state of Kerala was demanding many more things. And some of my speakers from my state already pointed out that man-animal conflict is on the rise. And we were demanding a package. Not only it's a Kerala problem, everywhere in the country. But the speech did not utter a single word on this. So, in short, the speech lacks and it's very insensitive to the issues of people, and hence no way to support this motion. Thank you.
Thank you. धन्यवाद.